Wonderful. So first of all,
और अंदर आ जाओ भाई सब लोग।
हाँ आ जाओ अंदर आ जाओ आगे अंदर आ जाओ. Come ahead, come ahead. So we are not most we are not most appropriately dressed because everybody had to rush, and today I had a class till late. Last benches, last row, please come forward. Take your rightful position. Yes. So as I've said before, and I'll say it this year, at FRC, no matter how our results are, tonight we celebrate it together. मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम्हें मेरी आवाज़ नहीं सुनाई दे रही है बस. Yes. So no matter how our results have been, tonight we stay together. Tonight we sit together. We dine together. We eat and drink together. Remember that. No, not drinks. That was the first thing that everybody told me कि sir everybody is expecting to have a, है ना, और बच्चों के रिक्वेस्ट आ गए कि कल सारे टेस्ट और क्लास कैंसिल कर दो, बट वो सब तो ये सब कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, बट है ना वहाँ दिल्ली पे भी ये सब दैट इज़ मैनेजमेंट से बात करो. मैं अभी मास्टर साहब हूँ तो सो फर्स्ट थिंग, हाँ अब ये कह रहे हैं कि ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश सब क्यों कल है भी नहीं. हाँ फ्लेक्सिबल है. यस. सो सबसे पहले many thanks to you guys. Just a few weeks before, we had been sitting in a classroom and said that you are our best batch, and you have proven it. We expect more than 100 people from the little town of Alwar, the little tehsil of Ramgarh. And this little village called Nagaon, you may not realize it, but you just created history. In no village of India will more than 100 people, right, no village of India, really.
New case study.
Yes, it's a new case study. It will never happen that hundreds of people will be clearing prelims, and not just prelims, but their first prelims. So this is the first time that it is happening in any part of the country, and you have been part of it. So huge clap to you, all of you. The second thing that I want to say to all of you is that, again, some apologies from Forum IS. We know that we put a lot of you in tight spots, especially early batches who had to go through a lot of troubles. है ना, तो initial batches को जो massive difficulties हुई थी, so big apologies from Forum IS to all of you. But then there was no other way we could have done it better than this. I can tell you, I can swear it on myself, that we couldn't have done in Delhi, we couldn't have done it in Gurgaon. We tried our best. We had to shut down things. We could have only done it here, and we could not have done it any better with the resources that we had. And trust us, I mean, we knew that a lot of you will be angry. I mean, we have taken like 14, 15 years to build Forum IS, and I know that any difficulties you'd face here, it will take a huge toll on the brand value of Forum IS, but we had to take that toll because we wanted to succeed badly. So internally when we used to discuss this, we used to feel that how do we want to be remembered, or how do we want the batch to remember us? Maybe I think we all felt that we wanted to be remembered as the bunch of guys who tried really hard. So right from anyone, whatever be the lapses, be the faculty, be Thakur Bhaiya, be every person who has been here. So everybody has put a lot of hard work, and thanks to all of you that you were able to leave the comfort of your homes, because I see a lot of you having very comfortable housing in Delhi. A large number of you have come from Delhi, a large number of you have come from far south. And our biggest achievements is that we have good number of people from the northeast for the very first time clearing this exam, and getting the whole ecosystem for, though whenever I've spoken to a student from the northeast or south with respect to if they are getting their diet on time and the kind of food that they want, they've generally, after a few minutes of conversation, they said, sir, I am from south, but I have lived in Delhi, so I'm used to the North Indian kind of food. But yes, I mean, you have faced a lot of difficulties, but what I believe is that these days of struggle that you spent here, in whatever form, in a little village where you do not have movie halls, you do not have Zomato,
Yes,
right? But that was by design. We are worried that but we wanted to look for a place, because the last time we had FRC, So all of you, you know that this is you will be the second full batch of FRC. Before that, we had only one batch of FRC who had both prelims and mains. And our huge lesson that we learned was that we have to also make sure that to some extent you should be mains ready, because that helps A in prelims, and B, though you will be developing cold feet for the mains, and so do the mentors, but then you are much better prepared than all previous batches. So let's see what happens. But this part of your life, this part is your struggle and these hardships. So these hardships, if you ask me really as a teacher and a mentor, I feel that these are necessary. This could be avoidable. Was it avoidable? Yes, it was avoidable, but it was also necessary. है ना? As Dinkar says, प्रासादों के कनकाब शिखर होते कबूतरों के ही घर, महलों में गरुड़ न रहता है, कंचन पर कभी न सोता है, वह रहता कहीं पहाड़ों में शैलों की फटी दरारों में. सो ये महल, जो कबूतर होते हैं वही महल में रहते हैं. बाकी जो पक्षियों का राजा है, they stay anywhere. They are not really worried about the comforts of a palace. So you guys have taken the pains to come out from the comfort of metro cities. Nearly everyone I know, they keep sometimes rushing back to Delhi. In fact, परसों मैं क्लास में देखा आयुषी को, तो मुझे लगा ये वापस आ गई. अभी मैंने इनका मैसेज आया कि and this is the first time she's cleared the prelims. So I was seeing her for some time, and I remember, and with a bunch of friends, with a group of friends, and then there's a disappointment giving so many years to the exam, 3-4 attempts, and a lot of you are in their 3rd, 4th, 5th attempt. But so while this is a part of your struggle, I also would want to tell you that when you look back on these days, these will be one of the best days of your life. But it's just that you do not know it at this point because there is just so much uncertainty. And thirdly, while clearing the prelims is a small step in the examination process, but what I feel is that for a lot of us, it is a giant leap. I mean, there are so many of us, so many of you where I have met you like 2 weeks or 3 weeks before the prelims. We've been discussing इस साल पेपर देना है या नहीं, finally दिया है, and then I get a message from Ridhima saying कि sir, हो रहा है. Right, prelims is हो रहा है, and then somebody who's joined late and who's struggling and who's always running behind schedules and continuously feeling that पता नहीं होगा या नहीं. I have also been late. So massive congratulations to you and massive thanks to you from Forum IAS, and I hope that your good word of mouth will help the people who need FRC. We don't want it to expose it to the world, but what we want is the people who really need a program like FRC, and I'm very sure that a lot of you would feel that it is made for certain kind of students, and deep within I feel that if you are the kind of student who needs it, it's irreplaceable. For those who do not need it and those who can do it without it, probably they do not need it, and we have everything else running in Delhi and in the online world. But for everyone else who badly needs something like this, you badly need something like this, I think we have been able to, if not do absolute perfect justice to the objectives, at least we have been able to do a decent job, and you'll remember us as some bunch of hardworking people who delivered to the best of their abilities on the promises. So let us have a small, cake cutting ceremony, and very happy for all of you. And remember, anyone who's there who has not made it this year, I just want to look around at the faces. Look around at everyone around you. Remember, it's not over until it's over. Every single person who's happy today, exactly last year they were sad. Barring a few very small minority of the mains paid students whom generally I have met when they have not cleared the prelims and when they came here. Nearly everyone in this room, everyone at FRC is somebody who has struggled with prelims for 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts, 5 attempts. Some of them have spent 7 years. Some of them have spent 8 years preparing for prelims, and they've cleared it for the very first time. They'll be writing their first mains. So if you feel demotivated, if you feel that I could not make it, look around. They were exactly in your position a year back, and today they have fought against all adversities. But most of it is the battles within. They have upped their game and they have succeeded. So my request to all of you who feel that they have not been able to make it today, always look at the people who have done it. Look for reasons and inspirations from everyone around you. I always feel that if you can find one role model, whom you have to beat in the next test, such as tomorrow's or this week's or this month's, you are on the right path. That was the whole point of getting a bunch of people in there, 20s to come in a single place where the AC is not functioning, right? But so that we could be there. And hats off to you, and big congratulations to all of you, and thanks to all of you. Let us give all of you a big hand. So just for 2 minutes, I would also like the faculty to share their words or what their experience was, because everybody was doubtful. Everybody had told कि यहाँ पर कौन आएगा, यहाँ पर क्यों आएगा. And the big contribution that you made is now Nagaon will be on the national map of India. कल अखबार में आएगा कि नौगांव से 100 बच्चे मेंस लिखने वाले हैं. And our objective is that a lot of people who have faced hardships because you had to go for a center for writing your prelims, everybody had to leave. Our objective is that all of you help us file petitions, reach out to the commission with the, no, not for re-exam and all. ठीक है. But this कि यहाँ पर अलवर में भी we should have a prelim center. टेस्ट सेंटर तो फोरम का है, हाँ. प्रिलिम्स का 2 कंडीशन इन 2 कोचिंग, हाँ. बट एक प्रिलिम्स का सेंटर यहाँ पर हो, सो दैट वी डू नॉट हैव टू लीव. ऑलराइट, जस्ट ब्रीफली वेरी आई वांट सम फैकल्टी टू शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट देयर एक्सपीरियंस वाज, क्योंकि सबको लेकर आया था. तो उस समय यहाँ पर कुछ खेत थे और बर्ड्स थे, कुछ डक्स थे, एंड देन मंकीज अभी भी नहीं जा रहे हैं. मंकीज विल बी देयर, है ना. हाँ,
ऐसे ही बोल रहे तो.
क्लास में भी बहुत बार करना पड़ता है हमको ये. सो वाई वी आर हियर, ओके, द प्रिंसिपल रीजन वी आर हियर इज दैट आई हैव शेयर्ड विद फ्यू ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. The entire year I have met you over the years, some of you over the years, some of you for few months. Whenever I see you guys, I don't like to see my students like that, right? I see that tension, I see that anxiety. But today we knew that when we are going to see you, right, you will be at least relieved for this night. And that is what we want. We want you to be relieved for this night. Obviously tomorrow, your mentors, they will bring you up to the pace. They'll ensure that you are hitting the ground running. And when sir was speaking, I was also, I was thinking about that, why these students are here, why some of the students end up here. They have been with us for a few programs. I feel it is for that community that we feel with each other. It is not that, I won't say it is because of me or maybe because of other people, but I want to be, a little more humble and little more realist. But the camaraderie that this space provides, right? The community it provides, and obviously content, right? The content we provide. So I'm really happy. I just wanted to express that, to see you people relieved, okay? I want to see you smiling tonight, okay? अगली बार क्लास में मुझे पता है तुम्हारा वही होगा कि यार लिखो जल्दी, बहुत लिखवाता है ना, या हम सब बहुत लिखवाते हैं. यस, राइट. सो बट यू वुड रियलाइज, आई होप यू हैव रियलाइज्ड कि द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज योर रैंक, योर नेम. और यार उसी से तो मेरा काम चल रहा है ना. तुम्हारा नाम आएगा तभी तो मेरा नाम होगा, है ना. हमारा नाम होगा यार. So on that note, all the best to everyone. Okay.
अभी इतने साल लगा दिए तो 6 महीने और सही. तो whatever is the result, I would like to tell you कि the mains which is in front of you guys, it's not going to be easy, and at the same time it's not going to be tough. It is very plain and simple. मैं बार बार ये कहता हूँ, the day you will hone the art of writing anything without knowing anything, the day you are ready for mains. जब तक आपको लगता रहेगा कि you are lacking in content and that's why you are not able to frame an answer, तब तक you are not ready for the mains yet. तो ये आर्ट जो भी 2-3 महीने जो भी आपके पास टाइम है फॉर मेंस, डेवलप दिस आर्ट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग. हो सकता है आपके पास कंटेंट नहीं हो, कंटेंट विल ऑलवेज बी लैकिंग, ठीक है। जैसे मैं सिंपल हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स को ये बोलता हूँ, इफ आई गिव यू 10 मिनट्स टू राइट अबाउट ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड आई गिव यू 10 मिनट्स टू राइट अबाउट इंडिया, you will be able to write better answer in context to Australia rather than India, because in context of India you know so many things, you will not be able to understand कि कहाँ से शुरू करें कहाँ से ख़त्म करें। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बारे में हमें थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें पता है कि भाई चलो ग्रेट बैरियर रीफ है, वहाँ कंगारू होता है, क्रिकेट होता है, और यहाँ पे 2-3 ऐसे शहरों के नाम पता है, तो यू विल बी एबल टू राइट अ ग्रेट आंसर। तो सेम थियरी सेम कंसेप्ट ऑल्सो अप्लाइज टू द मेंस। इट इज़ वेरी प्लेन एंड सिंपल। आपको बेसिक चीज़ों को लिखना है और ट्राई टू टाइम को थोड़ा सा मैनेज करिए, मैनेज योर टाइम वेल एंड डू थिंग्स, स्टिक टू द बेसिक्स, डोंट ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स, एंड result will be on your side. So thank you. Congratulations to everyone.
Hello everybody. Many congratulations to the people who are writing this year, and for the people who are writing next year. That's a better word to say it. And be hopeful about it, बच्चे. And the problem is, इस prelims वाले day पर realize होता है that we are not in the race. Are we not deserving? या इतने कट ऑफ से रह गया है, we are not able to clear. Lot of people struggling with CSAT also. But see this as an opportunity, this window from today till we are going to, or at least the people who are going to write mains, this window is for that expansion of your knowledge, that opportunity where you can at least compete with the people who are going to be in the services in next few months. So test your capabilities, your extremes to which you can go in your note making skills and your writing skills. जितना कर सकते हैं देखिए, कहाँ तक कितना ऊंचा पत्थर उछाल सकते हैं। यस, तबीयत से उछालिए, सुराग होके रहेगा, ठीक है। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, आई विल सी यू इन द क्लासेस।
Hello everyone. So when we were coming here, so someone asked कि अभी हम लोग इतनी रात में क्यों जा रहे हैं? We can go tomorrow also. And I said the only reason I want to go right now is अभी का जो expression है, I don't want to miss this. Because over the past few months, I've seen the level of anxiety one-on-one with many people, and the amount of fear which you had. पढ़ाई तो सबकी लगभग चल ही रही थी, but डर का level सबका अलग अलग था. Finally, prelims में whoever beat that fear came out winning. My concern now will be the next 2 months. Again, we'll sit and we'll strategize for the mains. I'll be coming and all the other mentors will also be coming, and we'll sit and strategize how to make your notes strong, how to add value to those notes, and make sure that this opportunity which you are getting is not lost. Make sure that this opportunity is converted into a name in the final list. All right, all the best.
So I want anyone who's really up their game. Knife नहीं है? Come young lady. आ जाओ. विश्वदीप, आयुषी, आ जाओ. विश्वदीप आओ. आ जाओ. चलो केक काटो. आ जाओ. केक काटो और मुझे खिलाओ। मैं खिलाता हूँ। बिल्कुल छोटा। So this is for you. आ जाओ आयुषी। कम थैंक
you so much for everything, sir.
लो आयुषी क्या कम आ जाओ निशा वेयर इज निशा केक खिलाना नहीं है तुम्हें यू आर द ज़ोमैटो किड राइट तो तुम्हें चलो वेरी गुड Shreya, how was your overall experience as a FRC? What was the score that you're getting?
So about 110 to 112.
110 to 112. Okay.
So this was my third attempt. My first attempt was right after college. The next attempt was while I was working at my job. And this was my
This
first
is the
series.
first attempt where you prepared well. यहाँ आए कैसे?
Sir, I always wanted like a very disciplined environment, and that was the primary need that FRC was solving for me. So every single time whenever FRC was starting, I think I have texted you that मुझे आना है बस कैसे भी करके. I just
इस बार तो जबरदस्ती आ गए थे शायद थोड़ा. So everybody told me she's here.
yeah, in November itself I had so third attempt.
Third attempt. What worked for you? क्या mistakes हो रही थी and how did you fix it this time?
Sir, in 2023, I was very juvenile. So I thought कि मैंने बहुत पढ़ा है, but in reality जो 2024 में मैंने FRC करा था गुड़गांव में, then I realized कि मैंने actual में कुछ पढ़ा नहीं था 23 में.
But Tejasvi, this was your which attempt and what is the score you're getting?
So this is my 5th attempt and I'm scoring 106 in.
So how did getting from not and this is your first time you're clearing?
Yes, this is my first.
We had a pretty tight schedule. How did you deal with it?
So I just
The
followed
first time,
it.
huh?
I just followed it. So like I had that in my mind that I have to do every class and I have to do every test. So I did. So I was living in Delhi before this, and it was very like I would say worse for me in Delhi because I did not like the environment at all. It was very crampy conditions and very unhygienic and all. Compared to Delhi, this is much better place and. Like the peer group that we find and the library of course is very spacious and also.
From Arunachal Pradesh, but born and brought up in Assam. My name is Changni, and I've been in FRC from December, and this is the first prelims that I'll be clearing.
And this was which attempt?
Third attempt.
This was the third attempt.
Yeah.
So how did you survive the pressure?
Sir, I'm always worried anyway, so this is my natural habitat. So I'm fine. I'm fine with this type of competition. In fact, it's good for my growth. So I took it. Sorry, Tapasya. Yeah, I came to know through my friend. He was also applying for FRC, so he suggested me. So that's with that.
What are the two, three things that you feel is the USP of FRC, which has helped you excel?
I would say the rigorous routine, which gives you, if you follow it to it, then you will be it will be very helpful. Even if you score bad, but you follow the process, it will be helpful to stay in track. And second thing would be the competition. It's very helpful. It always keeps you on your toes. And thirdly, I made good friends. So when on the days when I was very low and feeling very upset about my scores, they would cheer me up. And even mentors, I would talk to Ayush sir and Sindhu sir, and so they would tell me what to do. So that was
So many congratulations.
thank you, sir.
So everyone, this is Vaibhav. He was the person who decorated a pretty room of his. He shared it with me and I posted it on social media. So Vaibhav, first is that you had written the mains before, but last year you could not clear prelims. So and this time you came again for FRC. So first is पहले तो पता कैसे चला?
सर मुझे पता चला था लकीली मुझे पता चला था सर किसी ईमेल से सम रैंडम ईमेल आई गॉट एंड आई वाज लाइक देखते हैं क्या है इसमें एंड देन आई सॉ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड माय फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वाज लाइक मैं क्या करूँगा जाके एंड आई वाज लाइक देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग टू अ न्यू प्लेस आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर्ड प्रीलिम्स ट्वाइस क्यों जाना है इट विल बी अ बिग रिस्क क्यों कुछ नया चेंज करना है बट देन आई वाज लाइक मैं जब थर्ड अटेम्प्ट में मेरा प्रीलिम्स नहीं हुआ था फिर आई वाज लाइक कि I have to change something and I was like क्या change करूँ and because घर पे बहुत वो हो गया था sir everything became very static and it also became a burden because parents भी होते हैं and there's unset expectation also and
But you were always on the top of the list from what I remember from
Yes,
the
sir.
early mails. I'm not sure later what happened, but early mails.
yeah, sir, at the end I was like I was third.
You were third.
Yes sir, I was third but that was also
And even
very,
in All India, you were on the top.
yes sir so but जैसे नित्या पुनिया है बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड है साइश रेड्डी उन दोनों का भी प्रीलिम्स हो रहा है तो और उनका पहली बार प्रीलिम्स हो रहा है तो इमेजिन वो आ रहे हैं 2 अटेम्प्ट
क्या हो रहा है ये बच्चे मतलब यहाँ पर कई सारे बच्चे जो मल्टीपल टाइम्स इनका प्रीलिम्स नहीं हुआ है और अचानक से कैसे हो रहा है मतलब क्या
आई थिंक सर
बिकॉज एज अ टीचर आई हैव अ पर्सपेक्टिव वांट योर पर्सपेक्टिव
सर आई पर्सनली थिंक कि इट इज़ अबाउट हर हफ्ते इफ़ यू पुट इन एफर्ट एट एवरी डे लाइक SFG जब होता है इट इज़ अ एवरी डे थिंग इट्स नॉट कि एग्जाम थिंग अगर आप एग्जाम के बारे में सोचते हो तो दैट्स टू लॉन्ग आप मई में एग्जाम आएगा अब अगला एग्जाम मई में है मई के बारे में कौन सोचता है सर आप 2 दिन मोटिवेट होकर गुस्सा होगा मेरा नहीं हुआ 3 दिन बाद भूल जाओ बट सर SFG की रैंक हर्ट्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस आई थिंक दैट हर्ट रियली हाँ द पेन हाँ आई थिंक द
अगर आपको थोड़े भी सीरियस हो एंड इफ यू टेक योरसेल्फ सीरियसली देन अ रैंकिंग विल हर्ट यू इन सम वे और द अदर एंड आई थिंक इट हैज़ एंड सर बहुत नॉट गोइंग लाइक कोई अपना घर का कंफर्ट छोड़ के अगर यहाँ आ रहा है तो दे आर वेरी सीरियस अबाउट द एग्जाम. बहुत लोग का नहीं भी हो रहा है जो बहुत सीरियस बच्चे हैं बट उनकी गलती नहीं है सर. मोर और लेस कंपटीशन है तो उनका अगले बार चांस आएगा. मेरा भी पिछली बार नहीं हुआ था. बट आई पर्सनली थिंक कि जो बच्चे हैं सर द क्रॉप, जैसे पहले दिन भी आया था मैं वही देख रहा था बच्चों को भी एक सिंसियरिटी होती है. कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि मस्ती करने आया है फिर पार्टी करने आया है. सब लोग बहुत मेहनती हैं आई थिंक. एंड सर एटमोसफेयर की बात यह है कि दिस इज़ अ वेरी आई पर्सनली फील कि आउट ऑफ ऑल द इंस्टीट्यूशंस दिस इज़ अ वेरी सीरियस इंस्टीट्यूशन. एंड सर अगर कोई सीरियस इंस्टीट्यूशन होता है जैसे आप लोग कट ऑफ नहीं रिलीज़ करते, कट ऑफ की बात नहीं करते, बहुत सारी कोचिंग कट ऑफ की भी, तो सर वो मुझे फील होता है कि जो सीरियस इंस्टीट्यूशन होता है वो प्रोसेस पे फोकस करता है. एंड आई पर्सनली फील कि सर जब डेली बेसिस पे बच्चे मोटिवेट हो, टीचर्स भी आते हैं वो इधर उधर की बात नहीं करते, एग्जाम की बात नहीं करते, वो प्रोसेस की बात करते हैं कि आप गलत क्या कर रहे हो, सही क्या कर रहे हो. एंड आई थिंक सर वो बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस मेकर है. इस बार अगर मेरे जो क्वेश्चन प्रीलिम्स में गलत भी हो रहे हैं, इवन आफ्टर इट बीइंग एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेपर, आई वुड ऑल्सो गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. एक MPI पे आया था वो जो होती है सर मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स, उसमें नीति आयोग से वो इंडिया वाली नीति आयोग के इंडेक्स में कंपेरिजन आता है. SFG का क्वेश्चन है सर. उनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? जब SFG में आया तो मैं और मेरे सारे दोस्त थे, हमने कहा कि ये तो बड़ी फनी चीज़ है, ये कौन पूछता है. तो मैंने कहा यार ये SFG कुछ भी बनाते रहते हैं यार, ये तो उनकी हद ही हो गई. मेरा सिमुलेटर में क्वेश्चन गलत कराने के लिए इन्होंने कुछ भी बना लिया, ये तो कभी नहीं आएगा. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ द क्वेश्चन मैं कहा भाई.
I am Roopkatha. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. I've been preparing for UPSC since 2023. 2024 was my first attempt, followed by 2025. This was my third one. And so last year I wanted to sign up for SFG at Karol Bagh, and I opened the forum website and something popped up about FRC Tapasya. The very next morning I was here.
So for those of you who are watching, the young lady was doing quite well in GS, in fact exceptionally well in GS, but we had a massive red flag because sometime in the month of, I think it was Feb end or March or April, when we saw that the CSAT was launching, when
Yes.
we pushed everyone, we nearly tortured everyone to focus on the CSAT paper, so that was coming from your performance. Because when I asked the mentor, they said ki sir ho jayega. And then when the red flag came for CSAT, that is when we had a revision not just for here but even at Karol Bagh Center.
The basic thing I lacked in Delhi on my own when I was preparing was structure, discipline. So this is the place that gave me that every morning there's a test to write, every night there's a syllabus to cover. Even if you on days that you feel like you don't want to study, you're low, you'll see people around you working hard and that will push you to do it. So I am a person who isn't very good at self-discipline. I think for the first time in my preparation, I did CSAT. I am scoring around 100 in GS, and in CSAT I'm getting around 80.
So what do you think is why Tapasya worked for you and for others? This is the first time that you're going to be writing your first race probably, right? Why
The
Tapasya?
rigorousness of this program, like it makes you uncomfortable, it makes you unsettled, and that is what is required, because sometimes we take things for granted. I come from a very privileged background, so for me it's very easy to work 2 days and then the next 3 days I'll be like ठीक है कर लेंगे हो जाएगा, but this is a place that makes you uncomfortable.
My name is Gaurav Kumar. I came from Jalon district, Uttar Pradesh. I come to know about FRC from one of my friend, which is in FRC 1.
Sir, my name is Harshal. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. Sir, I heard about this place from my friend Anand. He was in FRC 5. So that time he told me. So that time my optional was not completed, sir. So I told him that I'll complete it next year and I'll join you in next year for FRC 6 or 7. So next year also my optional was not completed. So I thought this year I should go, and as it was my 5th attempt, so I thought let's take the risk.
So this is the 5th attempt and you're expecting to write the first main.
Yes, sir.
What worked?
Sir, expecting what? I'm writing.
Okay, you're right. Yes, yes, the result has come. So पहले तो ये बताओ कि 5th attempt में मेंस लिखने का फील कैसा आया, मतलब रोए या नहीं अच्छे से?
हाँ?
Did you cry or not?
नहीं सर, क्राई नहीं किया सर. पहली बार जब पिताजी को बताया तो उनको ज़रा थोड़ा अच्छा लगा, तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगा, उनको अच्छा लगा. तो जब से कॉलेज हुआ है सर, कुछ मतलब रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा था पॉजिटिव पिछले 5 अटेम्प्ट्स में. मतलब मैंने अर्ली स्टार्ट कर दिया था, ग्रेजुएशन के पहले ईयर में दे दिया था पहला अटेम्प्ट. तब से 5 साल में किसी हर टाइम लिस्ट चेक करता था, कभी रोल नंबर नहीं आया था. तो इस तरह आया तो अच्छा लगा सर. तपस्या इज प्रोवाइडिंग अ बेटर environment for study, sir. The daily schedule which is formalized in a tight manner, it doesn't give opportunity to think about the other things, and it is hectic, but gradually it becomes like a schedule and we can cope with it.
Sir, my name is Saish Reddy. I'm from Hyderabad. This is my third attempt, and one day I sit in the hall and Abhishek Sharma sir's video come in the on YouTube, and my family is sitting there, and the YouTube auto plays like it was fate, and and sir's story is the same. So he cleared NDA but was not able to get through. So my family said, "This is just like you." And he also cleared in his third attempt. And then I get a mail from FRC at the same time. So it was like fate and then I applied for FRC as well. And my application was on hold because my 12th marks were bad, and you also had an interview with me. So I told my mom on one fine day, because it was getting very delayed, I told her that if by today 8 p.m. they don't get back to me, I'm not going to go to FRC. I sit on the sofa, it is 7:57 and I'm sure that I'm going to give another attempt from home. 7:59 I get the mail saying that you are accepted. And I'm like, this is fate, there's nothing I can do. So then I come to FRC